reign as Reyna ng Aliwan 2016, I was able to explore and witness festivals around our beautiful country. The journey wasn't all easy, but with God's guidance, everything was worth it. It is with utmost humility that I say I made a legacy. And it's not a legacy for myself, but a legacy for all the Cebuanos. I am proud to be the 7th Cebuana to bring home pride and honor to Cebu. I wouldn't be standing here without the help of many. Daddy God and Senior Santo Niño, thank you for all the blessings. To my mom, dad, siblings and relatives, KF Cebu, Origin family, Amore, and my loved ones, friends, and especially to the Sinulog Foundation, thank you. Thank you for believing in me, even in times when I doubted myself. Thank you for all the unconditional love and support. Tita Susan, Miss Ellen, and Manila Broadcasting Company, thank you for the trust and all the great memories you've given me. I wouldn't come this far without each and every one of you. With this experience, I've learned to be humble and to work hard. We all have the power to make a difference in the life of others, serving a greater purpose for the benefit of others. I will remember all these life lessons as I open the next chapter of my life. Everything is possible with perseverance and pragmatism. To my successor, have fun and give time to wander around our country. You'll experience, discover, and learn a lot of amazing new things. Remember that every day is a challenge that should be met and conquered. After all, these memories will remind us of a life well lived. This has been a dream that became reality. This has been a beautiful dance, and I hope I made you all proud. I share this moment with all of you. I am humbled, I am grateful, I am blessed. I am Cynthia Magpatok-Thumala, your Reyna ng Aliwan 2016. Viva Pet Senior!
Wow, grabe.
Ang ganda!
Diba?
Thank you.
Stunningly beautiful.
Thank you very much, Miss Cynthia Thomalia. At ngayon na po, malalaman na natin kung sino ang tatangaling Reyna ng Aliwan 2017. Kaya naman, let's call back our candidates. So yung mga ganyang klaseng outfit partner, manina lang sa kanila yan eh.
Oo.
Maliit na bagay. Kaya kasi
Parang wow, biglang gumaan ang suot ko. Kumpara sa suot nila kanina na sobrang bibigat.
Super.
Ang gaganda nila, partner.
Ganda.
Ang
Grace,
tatangkad.
elegance, beauty. Lahat ng positive adjectives sa dictionary to describe our candidates.
Hello mga kaibigan, ready na ba
Ready
kayong
na ba kayo?
malaman
Ready na?
kung sino ang papalit kay Cynthia Thomalia, ang ating Reyna ng Aliwan 2016?
Ngayon na po, malalaman na po natin kung sino ang ating tatangaling Reyna ng Aliwan at ang miyembro ng kanyang Royal Court. Meron po tayong 3 winners ng second runner-up, isang first runner-up, and of course, our Reyna ng Aliwan.
All the scores have been tabulated by our official tabulators, Mr. Robert Bua and Associates.
And to present the award to our winners, here are, of course, ang ating pinakamamahal na presidente ng Manila Broadcasting Company, Mr. Ruperto Nicdao Jr. Makakapiling din po natin ang ating SVP for Radio Operations, the super duper poging boss namin, Mr. Juan Elizalde. And our Vice President for Promotions, the super cute Mr. Sandy Elizalde.
Hi, Sir Robert.
Sir Robert, this is it.
First we'll be announcing the 3 winners para sa ating
Second runner-up. Our winners for the second runner-up will receive 10,000 pesos each. At pwede na pong maklaim ang prizes natin sa Manila Broadcasting Company office.
Alright. Our Reyna ng Aliwan 2017 second runners-up. Congratulations to
candidate number 17, Feliz Charm Costibolo of Sangyao Festival.
Ganda. Picture.
All right. Congratulations.
Candidate number 17. Sino pa sa tingin ninyo ang papasok sa ating Reyna ng Aliwan? Second runner-up. Beth?
Kinakabahan na, partner. Hindi na makapagsalita. Alright. Ang ating susunod na second runner-up.
Congratulations to candidate number 9, Maria Atisa Manalo of Yugan Festival. Kababayan. Siyempre alam mo na,
makarelate?
Pag may mga achievement,
Oo.
hindi ka mag-anak, kahit hindi ka mag-anak.
Pinsan.
Kababayan, kapit-bahay ko yan sa Quezon eh.
Congratulations.
Candidate number 9. Alright. Eto na.
Ang ating susunod na second runner-up.
Congratulations to
candidate number 6, Ariel Jasmine Roque of Tuna Festival. Again, congratulations to our runners-up. Benice Charm Costibol of Sangyao Festival,
Maria Atisa Manalo of Niyog-Yugan Festival.
and Ariel Jasmine Roque of Tuna Festival.
Thank you, Sir Robert.
Our next award is for the first runner-up. Ang ating first runner-up will receive 50,000 pesos.
Wow. All right. Here we go. Our Reyna ng Aliwan 2017 first runner-up. Congratulations to
Candidate number 10,
April Smith of Utanon Festival. Mukhang nahihirapan ang mga boss natin. Matangkad daw kasi.
Oo nga. Again, congratulations, candidate number 10, April Smith of Utanon Festival.
Our Reyna ng Aliwan 2017 first runner-up. Eto na, partner! Eto na, mga kababayan!
Ang ating ina ang tabayanan.
Maraming salamat ang ating poging-poging
Thank you very
boss,
much, Mr. Robert Bua.
Sino sa tingin ninyo?
Anong number?
Sino?
Alright. Here we go. Ang Reyna ng Aliwan 2017 is...
Sino?
Woo!
Congratulations to
Woohoo! Candidate number... Candidate number 15, Marla Alforte of Sinulog Festival. So there you have it, ang ating Reyna ng Aliwan 2017. Candidate number 15, Marla Alforte of Sinulog Festival. So there you have it. Ang court.
Alright, thank you to our bosses. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much, Mr. Juan Elizalde, Mr. Santi Elizalde, Mr. June Necdao.
Ladies, maraming salamat.
Thank you, ladies. You're so beautiful and gorgeous and everything. Thank you.
Kung ako lang yung judge partner, lahat sila panalo para sa akin.
Kaya ka nga hindi kinuha eh.
Oo. Ang gaganda nilang lahat. Congratulations.